guys and welcome back to Auto Care Academy. Today we're going to be changing an air filter on a 2024 Ford Focus. So usually the UK Ford Focus has a bonnet lever on the passenger side door. So let's open up the bonnet. So on the right hand side, this is where the air filter is. So as you can see, there's two clips on either side. We'll unclip those, push it away and up. And to change it, all you got to do is grab one of the edges, pull it out and put the new one back in. So here's the air filter. As you can see, it's pretty clean, so it doesn't need any changing. So now it's pretty clean. Let's put it back in. It should slot easily in place. And we're going to align the clips back in. All four corners, make sure they're all in. Here we go. And snap in the clips back on either side. And that's it, you just change your air filter. So you want to make sure you want to change your air filter every time you do your yearly inspection. This makes your car run nice and smoothly. For more tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to the channel.